Yeah, but you know I ain't broke. Yo, David, can you run me a check, brother, please, on
Yes,
the on those
brother.
streams, TikTok streams, YouTube shit, cause I'm running everything under one chat now.
TikTok, you're not live right now.
It's probably gonna take a little while. Let me.
Okay.
Alright, we should be good now. You could check.
Okay. Still not showing up as live yet for me. Um,
Hmm. Why is this thing dropped frame? Damn, does streaming take that much internet or kilobytes or whatever? Damn.
much.
I mean, it says I'm dropping like 12 point something percent and I'm streaming at like 5K, 6 kilobytes per second. My frames are dropping like crazy. Let me see how it looks on
Mm.
Twitch right quick.
Anyway, talk real quick on YouTube.
Oh shit. Yeah, my mic was off. I was saying I think I might need to just get different internet.
Got it.
No. Is it showing on TikTok?
It is showing on TikTok now. Okay.
Okay, good. Good. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, I think we might be justified for, let's see how this plays out first. Let me get my 40 tick marker. 45. Stop loss is gonna be right above here.
Yes, what input shorts?
Oh, 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 oh. To be honest, stop loss should ideally be up here if I'm keeping it a stack. If I'm
You are gonna get
keeping
in.
a stack. Yeah, I'm looking to. This breakout candle, this breakout bearish candle, I like that. You know, I'm not gonna enter immediately, but I'm just setting everything up.
If you go on SPY, I don't know if you fix your VWAP, but the 9 and the cloud line up perfectly.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's showing on my SPY chart as well. Yeah,
So you fix VWAP?
yeah. I didn't fix it, but it's like I didn't change anything on it. Like I'll have to every time I try to do that, bro. Like I keep on just leaving it because for some reason sometimes I do get the valid entries, sometimes I don't. So I'm gonna just like try to work around it. The ES, however, the ES settings are perfect. Like just ES, not MES.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Nice.
Alright, so we have our high. We need to wait for a lower high if we want to go for sales. Let us win. Ooh, yeah. If this candle don't get smacked the fuck down in the next 30 seconds, we might be cooked on entry.
I will be pissed.
Little schmack, a little schmack. Alright, so we have a high, we have a low. See how our trend forms. Oh shoot. My uncle was calling me. I fucked up.
Oh, shoot.
If insurance I pay for that, it don't make no sense.
Right. I'm a look cheaper than that. You know? Well, insurance, let's pay for it. I think dealer said told me we're getting on that for the car. Not more than that.
Exactly.
So what me I do is I make sure to fix it online. Thank you still, Albert.
Alright, yeah, man. That's how I read me there, man.
Different way, so we are doing a different way.
Alright.
Ball, I know, tell you what to get the cash today, tomorrow. So, online sometimes it took 2 days, a couple days to get it, not you?
Yeah, man. It'll take a little while online.
Right, I'm gonna go through that. I don't have to pay for it. But anyway, we're good still. Where are they? Home?
Yeah, man. Me there home, man.
So, yeah, where are you today?
Me there home. If you want this, we can deal with something, man. Cause me I go lift up.
Yeah, man, one second. Let me get this thing. I want to hang that man for call about last night, you know. That me a babysit player, that's why.
Okay, okay.
Come at the kind of lead. I put on the mole in and just put some of the whole on part of me and show for cricket team, you know?
Yeah, man. Me there, man. So show me.
I'm not want me the man do anything.
Alright.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. That's how I read, man.
If you do, me same part, if you do, me left him or whatever. Me I can't do whatever, me no want him there with me, I'm catch up. Alright, so me wait for Liberty, you know, take the car down on Liberty. And I see the work there, don't find the dealer.
Alright.
The dealer by the street, so what we call him up. I keep in touch with your family.
Yeah, man. Me there, man. So shout me, man. Me I got my phone live, so shout me.
Alright, good.
Yeah, man. Alright. There's our trendy. There's our trendy. But it might be a case like yesterday.
I mean, it hit perfectly on VWAP on ES for me. Right, like the volume in the green channel before.
It hit on the VWAP itself, not the cloud though. Hit on the VWAP itself. Low key, we could have gotten in on that. I'm not gonna lie. Now we really have to wait on that retest if we even do get it. Pop, pop, chop, top. My order is actually set, so let's get that. Like I swear this time, bro, like if I get into this trade and I do get those 10 points, I'm out of there, bro.
Exactly.
We outie. Like for the bro, like the past 3 trades we took like this week, every time we've gotten those 10 points, like it always just goes back. And I'm like so annoyed that that keeps happening. So you gotta fix shit. You have to fix shit, bro.
Exactly.
This volatility is crazy.
I know.
Think we might get filled. Up just a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna get filled. I hope this doesn't fucking push me out immediately. No.
So not.
No, 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 no. Wait. No, bro. No, 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 no. Fill, get filled. Get filled, you fucker. Oh my god, bro. Bro, that shit hit the cloud perfectly on ES, bro.
Yeah, right.
God, fuck me sideways, bruh. I'm actually so annoyed right now, bruh. Like, bro, we would have been out of that trade already, gang.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Now when we do get in, this shit might be fucking chalked, bro.
Yeah, you're right. You're very right.
My fault though. Like I moved the entry just a like it was perfect, and I moved it up just 1 second, just 1 centimeter up, and it just missed it, bro. And it hit literally on spy on the head. On my chart on spy, bro, like that shit hit so perfectly.
Let me check. Oh, yeah, wow.
Yeah, bro, it's sending right now. Like, bro, I can't believe I missed that entry, bro. Like, I literally plotted it the fuck out, and the entry, like, I still didn't get my entry.
Mm-hmm. Yo, Gendo.
Yo, dude, this is literally the biggest edge show ever. It's like a quarter of an inch away from the cloud every time that I'm trying to get in.
Bro, I don't know what's happening with my entries. It's the same thing, bro. Like, I don't know if it's because, like,
Literally,
I don't know, bro. Like, I was just telling David, I'm like, bro, I would have gotten out of the trade already. Like, it's over with.
literally, like dude, every time I've set a limit order, it's never gotten filled, and then it just bounces right the fuck off. So annoying. And then, oh my gosh, dude.
There's like one more impulse for retracement, and then I feel like after that, it's probably chalked for the rest of the day. But you
Yeah,
know, I'm gonna just set it and leave it. If it doesn't go there, it just doesn't. But you know, damn,
literally,
bro.
like I would love it. But now, like now the problem is like all the previous entry points, like everything lined up perfectly except for the fucking price. Like
Yeah, bro.
all of my CVD indications were like, yeah, this is low volume. It's not coming off. Like, oh, dude, it like everything previously that we got was perfect. Now it's like, now it's got to break the 9 to get up, which already I don't entirely love, but we
I
will
mean,
get
it's not
cloud
a crazy
for it
break
eventually.
though. The good thing the thing I
Mhm.
found out about the 9 is that, yo, if it breaks the 9 to get in our entries, bro, and we hold it past the 9 after it breaks out, like it's just sending. It's just gonna keep sending.
Yeah,
Not every
yeah.
time, but it's like a higher probability for that to happen.
Yeah. The shit that I hate is when it breaks the 9 to get to the cloud, rejects, and then the fucking 9 EMA already starts getting used as like support. And I'm like,
Yeah, bro.
fucking get out.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the most stressful trades because I'm like, is the 9 really stronger than our cloud plus floor? Dude, some shit that I was talking about lately um, is like, man, I need to find a better way um, to like find exit points because like using our traditional like just lows of the day,
Oh,
I don't feel that confident in it.
you know what's crazy? I was literally just having that I was just, yo, we might get this entry again, bro. This might be it. Let
Yep,
me see.
really.
I was telling David the same thing, bro, because like for the past, yo, me and you entered some of these trades, bro, and it's like I'm looking on
Yeah,
the fact that uh I could definitely get a certain set amount of points, like confidently guaranteed with
literally.
the strategy, and every time
Yeah,
I'm trying to extend it, and it's like, should I hold? Am I being greedy?
yep,
Or if I sell
yeah,
early, like isn't that poor execution? Like what's the right way to do it? And I just found out like I back tested all the last night, and I was just like, you know what? Let's just stick to 40 ticks, 10 points, and call it a day every time because that's more consistent right
literally.
across the board. I could repeat that. I was trying to find out how to get it calculated with options, but I really don't know because options, you know how options
Yeah.
behaves a little bit more finicky than, you know, futures. It's like
Hmm.
straightforward in futures. Options, not so much.
Yeah. Like I was calling David yesterday because I wanted to see his strategy, and generally I was like, because I know that David plays everything based off of levels,
Yeah.
and
I want to ask him about that too. Yeah.
so like watch. I mean, this is essentially what he does kind of something like that, where I'll share this really quick. So basically, yeah, this is my entry that never got the fill, man. Sad thing. So like these kind of shaded regions are his general levels that he's marked from like previous day liquidity points. So it's like if we're looking tons of wicks, liquidity all through this level, which is like typically why this is kind of, oh my gosh, we're actually about to get in. Hold on.
Let's see. Let me adjust this. Yeah, we might get it. Hold on. Your order is set, right?
Yep.
All right. I'm gonna leave this shit right here.
All right, it's set right here. Get me in, please. Once.
Yeah, it's about to send.
Actually, I kind of like taking this right off this 9 point because
It's the same thing for on my thing. It's the same ESN. The cloud is basically the same. It's right there, but if I don't get fill, all right, there we go.
I just gotta fill.
All right, let's
I'm
hope it
gonna buy
doesn't
2 more
brush
here,
past.
and then my sell stop is right here. Actually, I'm only gonna buy 1 more up here, but it's gonna be like conservative as fuck. There. So then my first sell target is gonna be right here, and then my second one is gonna be at the bottom. Like this is where I'm like, there's no reason to hold on to additional risk in my eyes. So like as soon as we touch all of this, I'm out of here for the first 2/3 of my position, especially in these chop.
Yeah, bro.
I don't want to
get.
hold on to shit.
I just need one full flush, and then we'll be golden.
Fuck, we just got a bad CVD indicator here. This is going to be middle of the VWAP, the last entry targeted. So. Alright, I'm ready for potentially getting stopped out right at the VWAP, but hopefully we're going to play defense. And then I'm going to have a super conservative sell for my first couple just because this doesn't look entirely too good. I'm going to sell 2 at 1.3.
Hold on. Let's see.
I'm just going to have a conservative sell for my first couple here because with as choppy as price action is right now, I just want to be able to see some profits out of this trade.
That's true.
Yeah.
So my fill for my first 2 is basically right here. And then my second 2 I'll probably let run till here. Alright, beautiful. I just got my first fill. Now my absolute stop loss is breaking this high, so I'll still be able to be in some profits. And then my second target, I'm probably just gonna have, are you second targeting the low of the day? Where I'm actually probably gonna go like a retracement to here.
All right, here's our flush, bro. Get ready.
Are you
I'm putting
selling?
this shit. No, I'm putting this shit at I'm tightening my stop loss.
Bottom?
I'm actually targeting the lower wick of the 10-10 candle, because that's where the breakout
At
came
the
in the
very
first
bottom?
place.
Okay.
But I might
So are you targeting like bottom?
I'm gonna get tapped out, bro, in profits, but
I might just be selling.
Yeah, I already got out.
Yeah,
Is
me
it-
too. I just
if we-
wanted to take some small profits. I'm
I'm
out.
only like 275, so I'm happy about that.
Oh, fuck. No, we just got a great CVD indication off of this. Actually, if we get a retracement off of this second candle briefly into the cloud, I'm going to take this down to the bottom because the way the CVD just flopped. I do like this.
Yeah, I'm still in. I'm holding a little bit longer. There we go.
Yeah, no, you should. That was a bad sell for me.
Yo, buyers are really trying, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna lie.
Dude, I mean, just in terms of like total volume, they're not seeing anything for their efforts. Like, oh my gosh, yeah, I'm totally back in at this cloud briefly. Super small, tight risk position. Zelly, I think we're coming down here, to be honest.
I might get tapped out if this candle keeps pushing up, bro. Like, I'm getting tapped out in profits, but I'm not taking
Like,
any chances
the risk.
with how this.
Yeah.
All
No,
right.
keep the risk tight. I'm just telling you, like, there's
Yeah.
not enough. There's buy pressure. Like, there really just isn't.
Perfect.
Like, yeah, we're coming back, bro. As soon as the CVD on this candle dropped to the low here, like, then it was boogie time.
This is the music to my ears that I really like.
Just limit order set for sell here.
I'm glad I got that live.
Yeah, baby. I probably shouldn't have sold me. Fill me in, you fuck. There we go. Alright. I should have probably held my initial a little bit better, but I am absolutely okay with that. Like, dude, especially looking at the previous 2 days, like keeping our stops super tight there with that risk, like I don't mind that at all.
Yeah, I really don't either.
I mean, I absolutely could have executed better, but like, especially when it's like our second entry of the day ish. Like, realistically, this was probably the first, and it was a great one. With this being our second, it's like keeping our risks so close to the chest is ideal. Like, looking back at yesterday, same shit. I got like,
tapped out. Like, buyers just literally, yeah. Buyers just
Holy
push
shit.
past. But I got profit though, but it's like buyers push past everything, bro. I didn't get my 40 ticks, but it is what it is. Bro, don't tell me we're going straight back down, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you, like, the buy pressure is just really not there.
I'm not going
And,
back
like,
into
look at-
bro.
Based on David, like, look at this liquidity level right here. Like, and every buyer is literally selling right up here.
Yeah,
Like,
I'm gonna have him teach me that if you can, dude. That was really good.
I mean, it's really confusing, and it's not based on like as hard logic as we have, but like essentially like looking at major turnaround points. Like yesterday, literally every time buyers got up here, it sweeps. There's a flush point
Bro,
here,
I'm
and then now
honestly
we're using this as another flush point.
so tired of not fucking. Like, bro, I should have closed that trade, bro. It's like I'm working on the
It's all good.
psychological
It doesn't
aspect
matter.
of holding it, but it's like I'm losing out by being that type of person, bro. Like it literally just it's a good thing I had that stop loss though, where it's like it was at break even technically, but it's like, bro, the move happened and it just fuck, bro. That shit is so annoying.
Yeah, I mean,
Like we
like the
should have just
worst
gotten
part
our
about
flush.
it, yeah, like the worst part about it, I would say, is right now, like deciding on like risk right now, like just generally the way that I've been looking at the market, I feel it's like it's super high risk, like because all that I ever say to everybody is that the cloud is just an inflection point. It's just going to tell you that there's going to be a move one way or another. Our
Mm-hmm.
testing has said that it's typically a move inverse. Like that's the most likely thing to happen. The cloud doesn't tell you how far this shit's supposed to go. Like our us setting it down here is entirely arbitrary. Like we
Yeah.
could literally build a strategy that does this. Like this, whichever one gets like the most minor tick first, right? Like we could just
Mm-hmm.
literally do this if we wanted to. Like it's that's the thing is where I'm trying to figure out important liquidity
I feel
points from
like
David or just like inflection points because
I just feel like, bro, once it gets to I don't know how to fucking gauge this properly, bro, because at the end of the day, what happens is it's really up to us. I'm not even gonna lie because I was in so much like I had like basically almost 10 points. I had like 30 ticks and I was like, "Nah, I'm gonna still wait." And then immediately like that shit just
yeah,
shot past my so it's not poor execution, right? I feel like
no, not at all.
oh fuck, bro. I don't know, bro.
Oh,
Like
God, you did good.
sorry, take a look
I'm
at
looking. Yeah, I'm seeing it's like,
yesterday.
and
So
I don't feel like
yesterday,
I want to
right?
enter again.
Yesterday I got in perfectly up here,
Hmm.
and I ended up getting stopped out right here. So then I'm like, what the fuck? Like how? Like why are we turning this
Oh
around?
yeah.
And then
So
after I got
that
on a call with David, it was fucking.
the only thing I could say
So he's
about
like,
that on just like a basic level for yesterday's trade, bro. It's like every time if you go back test, I don't know how far you can go back test. Whenever we have like that trend, it's so strong for like a good like that trend almost
yeah,
went for like an hour, right? It's almost
yeah,
like unlikely for it to continue that sell pressure all the way down, and it's like
right,
you just get chopped. It's just how it
right.
always is.
No, 100%. I think like the only really way to like we get right up to this floor again in this. So we've tested this pool fucking a million times, but I don't know. So theoretically, you look at this, right? This is a bear flag, right? We're getting wicked out up here every single time, and then
Mm-hmm.
we're trending up this way. I feel like I've seen more bear flags roll over than I have see them actually execute.
So this right here, bro, like, let me be honest. This right here is such a fucked up stack because of the price action that's happening, bro. You see
Yeah,
all those wicks, bro. It's just
yeah,
telling us like a lot of indecision happening, bro. It's just not the typical
yeah.
bear flag that I want to see. If you get what I'm saying, you feel
No,
me? It's like that's why
100%.
I feel like it's just as you said, it's arbitrarily up to us. Like we just have to decide, like, yo, all right, because of what's happening in price action today, I'm gonna take this and get the fuck out of here. You feel me? Because it gave it to us.
Yeah,
It did give it to us, and then it's just like, are we being greedy or are we trying to execute properly? Is really what I'm trying to find out. You know what I mean? Like just to make sure we're
yeah,
doing the right thing.
absolutely. I mean, like what I've been feeling like is generally our safest option as of late is like it's just if we get back up to this wick, I'm gonna enter on the floor with a stop loss right here.
Yeah, if that, I'm
But
gonna set another order in for sure. You know,
because like everything up here is just getting sold out immediately. But like it's what I've actually been finding lately is within like generally the first 10 minutes of the day,
hmm
blue chips kind of move more or less autonomously from SPY, where it's like they don't exactly do what SPY's doing, where it's
yeah,
like they have about like a 10 to 15-minute window where they'll do what they want. And then that like you can base entirely off of strength. Like this morning I did it with Microsoft. I do it with Meta every morning, where it's basically just like like it's independent price action. So like basing everything off SPY, like SPY will give you like 1 to maybe 2 great plays. Like this should have been it every time. I mean, you look at this point right here. I missed this because I was looking at something else, sadly. But
I did.
like
Yeah,
this is
I set my
floor
order, but I
9.
didn't get in
You are
either.
straight down. Exactly. Yeah. Like yeah, that was like nobody got filled there. So then when you're looking from there, like right here, what I kind of like is, I think if we get filled in right here, we're gonna shoot straight down. Like I really do think this is gonna come all the way down from a fill up here.
This is so yeah, I'm not gonna
Yeah.
lie, that's definitely not incorrect because I'm looking on what Price is doing. We're just consolidating high key, bro.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, like bullshit price action here. Like buyers literally cannot push this. So I'm either gonna get stopped out in a quarter of a second, or we're gonna get a full take, which like I'm okay with that.
Like if I get like I can't like I'm just gonna I fuck, bro. All right, we're getting up in there. Let me lock in, bro. Fuck.
Yeah. I hope we get up in there. Trying to be in there like swimwear, baby. Alright, I filled on my first. And then we're going to have to get above this last wick in this liquidity zone.
Oh shoot, Vince, so shoot here. Did you see my message I sent you about the guy emailing me back?
Yes.
What should I send back? Just like have freaking
As soon as I
ChatGPT say something?
close this position, I can draft up a response for you right away.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Zelly, I fucking love this trade right now here.
Yeah, I didn't get in, bro.
Really good.
I didn't get filled just
Oh,
yet.
no way.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sell on this wick right here.
Oh god, there's the flush. Like, bro, I'm thinking about. I need to stop. I just need to think about the small gains, bro. Like, because I've always been thinking about the small gains for the most part, but it's like I'm trying to change my mindset into like a longer term vision, and it's just not paying off, bro. So might have to go back in the bubble.
Yeah. Back to the bubble.
I mean, hey, we like the bubble.
Yeah, bro. Like I was just like scalping like crazy, bro. Like every boom in 20 ticks, 5 points out of there every single day. Like it adds up, you know? And I've just been trying to tone it down just a little bit where I don't do that as much anymore. This is about to be a little bit of a flush. Like it might reject off this point here. You know what? I don't like this anymore, bro.
My shit's lagging, so I can't even tell where price is, but I have a limit order set for
You're
this
good. Like
point
you're
right
actually gonna get sent right to where we were supposed to get
Oh,
fucking sent initially,
holy
bro.
shit,
Damn.
dude.
Fucking
I mean, that
stupid, bro.
consolidation is just so pretty, though. Like, that's the one thing that... Dude, why is my shit, like, frozen, bro?
Yo, if you can get out the position. I don't know if you...
I did.
Okay, good.
I got out right... Like, I set it for this wick right here. I don't know if you can see my screen because it's lagging like fucking crazy. Can you guys still see my screen? Like, it's actually going bananas.
I mean, I could see it just a little bit. Bro, I see, bro, like I fucking it's like when you know you're right, like I knew what I was doing was correct, bro, and then like the fucking 1020 wick, bro. Fuck me,
Yeah,
bro. Like it
the
literally
1020
went to
whip.
where we needed it.
Yeah, I just love how like. So the one thing that I hated about this was I think I exited this position early at 10:15 because like the CVD was at the top of the range. I think when I sold. As soon as this got flushed and then we just moved sideways on the CVD, price was inching up and buyers literally couldn't push past this level.
Yeah.
That's where it's like it's just so many failures right there. Like I love this because sellers are generally taking control today. I thought this was gonna come all the way down here after I saw that big push.
Nah,
I think
like
it still will. I think
nah,
we're gonna
like
touch this
I
bottom.
I knew like it's remember I said like the wick of the 1010 candle. That's what I was targeting, bro, because I was like that's where liquidity got drawn in
Yeah,
the first place. You feel me? So I'm like it has to go back there.
literally.
And I'm like, bro, like how the fuck do I get the perfect entry and then I get wicked out? Fuck me, bro.
That's the worst fuck thing.
And it's going exactly where it's so, like, bro, fuck, bro. It's like this is actually worse than a loss. Like it's actually worse than a loss,
Yeah,
bro. For me.
not getting filled.
It's not even not getting filled, bro. It's like we did what we were supposed to do and then like a random fucking wick. A random 1020 fucking wick
Yeah,
just took us out at our break basically at our break even point, bro. For
yeah.
fuck's sakes, bro.
No, exactly.
I
Dude, if we would
don't
have held through all of this, I mean, dude, the amount that we would be up is just like actually goofy.
because bro, I
That's the
can't
shit that I hate
yeah.
though, is I'm sorry.
No, I'm
No, it's
saying
like January
yeah.
price action, dead ass. Here, like January price action would have came up, bang, slap the bottom, just
Yeah,
a little kiss on
bro.
the forehead.
Like we just had all this
Now it's
extra
like,
fucking movement here. Like what the fuck? Yo, why am I not seeing Tik? I need to get a different fucking like because
yeah,
the
and
TikTok
dude, like
chat is not showing.
I can't even lie. This week I was getting super fucking angry because like based on all of January, I was like, I know price is going here, so then I was overcompensating. So I'm down like 0.75% this week. And like I deadass had to tell myself yesterday, it's like, all right, you can only take these two things because these are the only two things that are working and responding because like man, it's just it's fucking bananas right now. Like I literally am limiting myself to early in the morning find the divergence on an autonomous blue chip, can take meta off of levels, and then I have to get a setup on SPY between 10 to 12, and then literally after 12 I have to just close the charts.
Bro.
Because like dude, I'm not even kidding. In January I could trade the entire day and like everything would just respond beautifully. Like January was
pretty good.
like yeah, let's
Yeah,
just
bro.
dap these
January
guys
was when
the
I
fuck.
took the account out of fucking drawdown. It was crazy. It was nice. It was really nice.
Dude, yeah, January I was up huge. And then did Jamal and I tell you about the credit spreads that we had on Friday?
With that
With
Alex did.
yeah.
Yeah. Dude, that was my first time ever taking a credit spread. I was like shitting my pants the entire time debating points. And then bro, my account literally on one fucking credit spread blowing up literally blew like I'm not even kidding, like 7/8 of my January profits. Like January I was up. I literally think I took a 4% drawdown on the account
Damn.
just from one credit spread blowing up, dude. It was insane. So I literally am now like this is why I'm so glad for this is why I'm glad that we didn't set up the official account because my test trial of credit spreads literally just reset me to break even.
Oh, final target got hit at 6953. Nice. Fucking nice, bro. Bro, it's I fucking dropped these levels last night and I was like, yo, my entry if we close below here, I'm gonna wait for cloud. I'm gonna bro, like Jesus Christ, bro. I fucking hate this shit, bro. I'm not even emotional. I'm just confused, bro.
I'm actually really keen on Meta. Is there any point where SPY could turn around and stop? Because Meta's at a level.
Let me tell you
Yesterday I
right
got
now.
an 167% return on Meta off of the level that it's at right now.
The
Again,
old
based on the CDD
hold on.
volume.
Let me look on SPY and tell you
Looks like
that
it's
right quick. Currently I'm seeing this is at 66932. So on SPY, let me see what that is here. You could see a turnaround at like 689. What's SPY at now? 691? Yeah, probably like two.
91.
Yeah, that's the last pivot that I see. That price just shot the fuck back up, but fuck, bro.
Meta's at like a major level that it turns around, and I have to just pass it up, which sucks. Like it's been like a week and a half draw point that I've just been like feasting on. Actually, let me show you guys Meta again, because this shit is actually insane. Like, if you guys ever want to look at blue chips again, like, I'm telling you, you have to look at this shit. Like, this was this morning's trade. It just flies up, sweeps here, sweeps there. It also swept up in one. Like, it's just you mark out key levels, and it sweeps off of one of them. Yesterday, this is where I gained. This one I got stopped out earlier. This was just retarded. Because this is where I hit 167%.
TikTok chat. I think you're saying stuff and asking questions. I'm not sure because I can't see. I thought the chat was already set up on my stream elements. I apologize about that. I will fix that tomorrow. We'll be here tomorrow again. So yeah. Thanks for everybody for stopping by. We got one entry, and let's review that. We got our entry that we needed, right? Let's review what happened. As I said, we got our bias. We had our initial break of structure, like break of fucking pre-market levels here, and we closed below it, right? We already knew that this was going to be our ultimate target. It was two inflections point we had from the hourly. From notice here, price shot up, price shot up, price shot up, right? Price shot up. Then this is just like a strong support zone, right? So this would have been was our ultimate target, even though we were actually just trying to target 10 points. That's really all. We got filled here, right? Set a super tight stop loss because of how choppiness was going, because you can just look on what the market's giving you. Wicks are going to tell you solid indecision, telling you that listen, even though price sold off here, buyers bought it up, even though buyers bought it up, like it got sold off down here, etc., right? So I was trying to mitigate that. We got stopped out in profit, very small profit. Like you can probably buy a sandwich with whatever I just got. It's nothing compared to the ultimate move that I was preparing for. And wicks like these, bro, like I don't even know, the market, as I said, we're retail traders. We just have specific strategies. We're not institutional traders. That's just gonna be the absolute truth. So I do not know everything. Everything is just probability. Everything is just speculation, knowing that listen, this is showing us where it wants to go. Let's try to manipulate that to our benefit. That's really all. We got the actual move here. I set my entry here, but didn't get filled because I probably set it too late or whatever because of the previous trade. I'm not upset. I'm not emotional. I never get emotional about these trades at all. I feel like it was like rating this execution probably 8 out of 10, 7 or 8 out of 10. My stop loss that's the only thing that I saw that I could have just let it stay. Basically, we could have taken profits, but as I said, this is the execution that we want, even though it didn't give it to us immediately. Because normally when you get swept up like this, we engulf price action here. This is just they're gonna grab money here. That's what liquidity is, and then we should just start flushing after like I want to say 10 minutes in. So the flush that we wanted would have happened ideally at 10:25, but it happened at like around 10:30, 10:34 around there somewhere. So good execution. I need to work on some shit because I am not willing to put up that level of risk to, you know, because I know how this, I know what's supposed to happen, what's likely supposed to happen whenever we get our entries, and sadly it didn't happen until like